You live and you learn. Ever since I learned to poach chicken breast for just 5 minutes, I keep cooking it. I just slice it and I drizzle it with various sauces such as walnut sauce or lemon, garlic, parsley, olive oil one. And today it is Coronation style sauce. The chicken breast was always my least favorite part of chicken. If I ever needed it for salad, say, I would just cook it haphazardly for 20-30 minutes. But ever since I discovered this way of cooking it, which is basically poach it as little as possible. Cover chicken with couple of inches of water, bring it to the boil and then simmer very gently for no more than 5 minutes. You will be amazed how incredibly juicy and succulent it will be. Even though I use regular supermarket chicken breast here and I poach it in a plain water with just some salt added. To prove that the chicken is safe to eat, I measured the temperature with the meat thermometer. After 5 minutes, it reached about 80 degrees. 75 is enough for it to be safe. I chop smallish onion as fine as I can and I cook it a bit till it softens in lots of oil here. A tablespoon of tomato paste here and couple of teaspoons of mild curry powder. Make sure you cook tomato paste for a few minutes. And then I'm adding the stock from the chicken. Orange jam, couple of teaspoons. You can use other jams, for example, apricot jam is a classic. A touch of chili, some salt, and I cover the sauce with the lid and let it simmer for maybe 10 minutes. Heaped teaspoon of corn flour mixed with double cream, and then I gradually add it to the sauce towards the very end. Let it boil once and then I switch off. And the sauce will thicken a bit more as it cools down. Of course, you can add a bit more corn flour and you would get a bit thicker sauce. I am quite happy with the result though. And last but not least, a squeeze of lemon to your taste. Important point, you should let chicken breasts cool down in a stock. So I want to blend the sauce and then I put it through the sieve as we have pieces of onion there. So it only takes a couple of minutes and I want to get a very smooth sauce at the end. And now take your sharpest knife, cut the meat across the grain. It should be really succulent and juicy. Your chicken great in salads, great by itself, cold next day. And the sauce, of course, makes it even more special. Enjoy!